Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Every time I just share with you some important topics with you. Today is a very special topic which I want to share with you, and my topic name is dropouts can excel as well. Yeah, there are so many examples. Those have already taken just dropout from the school or colleges. They have made the histories. Many examples are there. I always like to share with you. It is not actually concerned with your education, means your formal education and your practical knowledge. Somewhere the people have the lots of experiences. They like to just work on the special area. They like to pursue the excellence whatever they have. Yeah, there is a need to find out the excellence what you have actually. God has given you something and we have to work on it. So there are some examples I would like to share with you, and one of the first example which Thomas Edison. Yeah, one of the greatest inventor who has invented the very important devices which we are going to use today, and the devices like a phonograph, then motion picture camera and electricity bulb. After achieving the success, but there is also the very painful story. He made the very unsuccessful efforts, but even he proved that he had the excellence which is incomparable with others. There are also the many examples. The one of the example I would like to also share with you, Rabindranath Tagore, who is the one of the Nobel achiever and great literature he has written. So he is one of the greatest writer and also the great poet. All of you know that he has written the Gitanjali, is one of the great epics, and he mentioned the lots of the very valuable things, and people are going to just follow it also. But you can see that whatever it happened with the Thomas Edison and Rabindranath Tagore, those persons drop out from the school or colleges very soon. I would like to say that the Thomas Edison had only 3 weeks of schools in his life, and then he dropped out from the school, but he made the history. Rabindranath Tagore is also not just contributed himself in the formal education, and he also left the school very soon. There are another example I would like to share with you, Bill Gates, who was also I can say that who is also the great example to drop out from the school, but he had that excellence and that he proved it. The Bill Gates, who is the CEO of the Microsoft company and the great founder, he contributed himself in that field whatever he had the excellence, and he proved that one. And the same thing is here. He had no the formal education for a long time. He also left the college within 4 weeks only, and so this is also another example. Then Steve Jobs, all of you know very well Steve Jobs, who was also dropped after the 6 months of the college only, but he created the history. You know that Apple is one of the brand, and he is the founder of Apple. He is the owner of the Apple, and he had not just contributed his life for the formal education. He also left the school very soon, and there are so many examples of the dropouts. We are not talking about here those have the means you have to also drop out your school or colleges, but these people are the great example which stands for even they drop out, but they did not follow to pursue and also pursue the excellence whatever they have. So we have to also work on the excellence whatever the God has given us, and if you work on it, so nobody can stop us to achieve the success in the life. So this chapter is also inspired me. If the people are just stay away from the one field, but they have to ready to contribute himself or herself to fully devote yourself in the such areas where you have the excellence in that section, or we can say that in that category. If you are ready to work on it, then you will also get the success. That this is the great example. These are the really great examples. We have to just follow them. Whatever they have, they proved it, and now there is the time for us. If you are also ready to follow the excellence, then we will also get the success. So keep it in your life and just work on it. If you have the really great dream to become a successful, so you can also achieve in your life. So best luck, carry on and just work on it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.